In this video, I will show how to separate positive and negative numbers in number list in Microsoft Excel. So you can use this formula. So select this cell. Now type this formula equal if opening bracket select A2 greater than 0 comma again select A2 comma then double quotation mark and closing bracket, then press enter. Now drag and drop so it will get the positive numbers in this list. Now second formula for negative, select it, then equal if opening bracket 0 greater than A2 comma A2 comma double quotation mark closing bracket, then press enter. Now drag and drop. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.